position ni Sir Tay Endencia as Miss Universe Philippines official stylist. Of course, madami kayong connections, entertainment, and style event sa mga events. So may nag-attempt po ba na ako na lang yung yung event stylist na ganyan?
Good afternoon first and foremost, and thank you again to Tay Endencia. Walang nag-attempt dahil natatakot sila sa akin. Baka mapahiya. Joke lang. Wala naman. I think we have good relations with Tay, and we don't have any... we're not open to others because no one is also asking, actually. Not naman no one is asking, but I just told Borge, like, don't entertain na lang anyone. So, I don't know if someone connected with them, but like with me, in terms like, for example, with me and Voltaire, parang wala namang lumalapit. So,
Thank you, ma'am. So, more years.